A properly constructed target is half the success in remote viewing. Before you even start working and tune into the wave, you need a properly prepared anchor point. Today, we will talk about how to build targets that maximize the precision and quality of your readings. Let's start with the absolute foundation. Your intention creates the target. Not a number, not a note on a piece of paper, but what you actually want to investigate. Because remote viewing acts like a wave that penetrates everything, the target can be absolutely anything. Physical locations, activities, but also non-physical or imaginary entities. Your intention acts as a laser that flawlessly guides the viewer through the informational noise straight to the core of the target. And it's worth remembering here that the center of the target is the place of the greatest change in time, not simply the largest physical mass. The second issue is anchoring in time and space. Every training target must be embedded within verifiable time-space frames. If you don't do this, the viewer will drift in an infinity of variants. If you don't specify the time, the session automatically defaults to now. Want to investigate the pyramids of Giza from the time of their construction? You must explicitly state this in your intention. Otherwise, you'll get a description of the modern ruins. Always be precise. Don't ask to describe Napoleon. Ask to describe Napoleon while he is preparing the plans for the Battle of Waterloo. Another key rule is do not overload the target. Complex environments introduce chaos. If a target is complicated, treat it as a project. Divide and conquer. Instead of throwing everything into one target under the label football match, break it down into stages. Target 1, describe the location, which is the stadium. Target 2, describe the activity on the pitch. Target 3, describe the crowd's behavior. Thanks to this, the viewer builds a complete picture step by step and doesn't get lost in the flood of data. A target should be like a well-cut key. It must fit one lock, not a whole bunch of doors. Depending on what we are investigating, we also choose the methods of transmitting the target. You can work totally blind, providing only technical archival coordinates, or use front-loading. But be careful. With front-loading, only 5 words are permissible: location, activity, event, subject, or object. Any other word is leading, which contaminates the session with the analytical mind. In turn, if you are investigating a specific person, especially when working with an AI viewer, it is worth using the dedicated telepathic module right away, which allows you to deeply gather data about the person immediately. To sum up, the true target is your pure intention. Break complicated targets down into smaller stages. Always precisely define the time and place to avoid wandering, and choose the right protocols for the specifics of the target. A target that is too general creates fog. An overloaded target creates noise. The best target is always one clear channel.